with Chief Meteorologist Haley Clawson.
It is hot, it is dry for now. I am tracking changes, especially for the middle of the week, that are going to be switching things up. Now, it's still going to be pretty warm out there because as more moisture moves in, of course, it's really not going to make things feel any better. It's just going to be a lot more humid. Right now, though, we do remain under an excessive heat warning here in the Coachella Valley that is set to expire at 8 p.m. this evening. Same for the high desert. We've been feeling the heat through the weekend. Highs in the 1 teens yesterday. Today, it looks like Palm Springs been up to about 111. So temperatures are still going to be pretty slow to cool through the rest of tonight, down near the century mark by about 9 p.m., closer to 90 degrees by midnight. Early tomorrow morning, still looking to have an opportunity to dip down into the 70s very briefly before those temperatures climb once again. But I am tracking a downward trend in our temperatures as high pressure begins to weaken around Southern California. It'll still be there. It just won't be as much of an impact for those of us here in the Southland. However, as it weakens, it's going to be opening up the door for a little bit more moisture to move in. Meet Eugene. Now, Eugene is weakening, so we're not talking about a storm moving into the West Coast. However, there's a lot of moisture that's going to be in the air. And with that weakening of the ridge, there's that opening for that moisture to move in. And that's what we are looking at for the middle of the week. So when we put our future track into motion, tonight, skies staying clear. Same as we head throughout our Tuesday. Tomorrow is going to be another predominantly dry day with a lot of sunshine overhead and seasonable temperatures. But moving into Wednesday, that's when we're looking to get a push of moisture coming in from the south, thanks to Eugene, and that is going to be upping our dew points, not only for Wednesday, but also the remainder of the week. We have some pretty muggy conditions in the days ahead, where I'm talking dew points in the 60s. It's also going to bring the opportunity for some storms. Now, it's pretty slight at this point, especially for the mountains. That's really where it's going to be favored, so expect some isolated storms over the mountains on Wednesday. Same goes for Thursday. Thursday is really looking to be a pretty muggy day here in the desert. Notice the drop in temperatures. This is where it's going to be interesting to see if we actually continue our triple-digit streak or not. But by this upcoming weekend, the heat moves right back in, looking to be near 110 for the start of next week. Peter.
Thanks so much, Haley.